Students, welcome back in your geography class with the chapter Agriculture. In this module, we will talk about the second part of the chapter that tells something about the major crops which are grown in India as well as in the world. On the basis of this, the subtopic of the chapters are food crop. It means, first of all, we will discuss about the food crops which are grown in India, then fiber crop, and third one is beverages. First we will start with the food crop. All these pictures which are shown here are very familiar. You know about all these food crops. Major crops which are grown in India, food crop, they are rice, wheat, maize. One by one, I will tell you about these major crops. See, when we talk about the crops, we must know what type of crop it is, first thing. Second, about the climatic conditions which are required for the growth of that particular crop. And then the areas where that crop is grown. Is that clear? First, we will start with rice. Rice is the major food crop of the world, which needs high temperature, high humidity, and heavy rainfall. It grows best in alluvial soil as well as in the clayey soil or the soil which can retain water. China is the leading producer of rice, which is followed by India, Japan, Sri Lanka, and Egypt. Next crop is your wheat. Wheat is grown. The climatic conditions which are required for the growth of wheat. It requires moderate temperature and rainfall. Rainfall during growing season and bright sunshine at the time of harvest. It is best grown in well-drained loamy soil. And wheat is grown extensively, means बहुत ज़्यादा, in USA, Canada, Argentina, Russia, Ukraine, Australia, and India. In India, it is grown in winter. And the third crop is your maize. I did not get the seeds of that maize. That is why I had not pasted the maize one here. This is actually a kind of coarse grain, means mota anaj, which can be grown on less fertile and sandy soil. It needs lot of sunshine also. It requires well-drained fertile soil. It is grown mostly in North America, Brazil, Canada, Russia, India, etc. Through the map, you can able to see that the rice producing states of India, the wheat producing states of India, as well as the maize producing states in India. You are requested to do this in your classwork copy, means this map work in your classwork copy. Now come to the fiber crop. Fiber means the raw material which is used in textile industry, जिससे हम धागे बना सकते हैं, and then it could be easily weaved into a cloth. First of all, we will talk about cotton. Cotton requires high temperature, light rainfall, 210 frost-free days, and bright sunshine for better growth. It grows best on black soil as well as in the alluvial soil. It is grown in China, USA, India, Brazil, Egypt, and Pakistan. Then another fiber crop, that is jute. Here in this picture it is at last. It is also known as golden fiber. It is also known as golden fiber, which grows well in alluvial soil. It requires high temperature, high rainfall, and humid climate. It mostly grows in tropical areas or the regions. India, Bangladesh are the leading producers of jute. But one important interesting fact is related to jute. When Bangladesh was not divided from India, it means when it was the part of India, India was the leading producer of jute. But after the division of Bangladesh at the time of partition, earlier it was known as East Pakistan, and by the year 1972, it was named with the new name Bangladesh. Third one, the beverages means पीने वाली चीजें. Coffee. Coffee is the best grown in warm and wet climate as well as in well-drained loamy soil. Hill slopes are mostly suitable for growth of this crop, and Brazil is the leading producer of coffee, which is followed by India and Colombia. See the cotton producing states of India, which are these states like Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. And it is as a raw material for the textile industries. Beverage crops, in which we had already talked about the coffee. That's all in this module. I hope when you go through the chapter, along with the chapter as well as with these videos, it would become easier for you